Hello everyone and welcome to Ashley Tech. In today's video on Fusion 360, I will be teaching you basic navigation. In Fusion 360, there's the ability to rotate around objects and is generally used at the main proportion of actually making sketches and building your design. First off, I would like to recommend that an external mouse is recommended as it has the left, middle, and right button keys. If you're on trackpad, that is okay. We can easily use the tools down here, but a mouse makes it more efficient. Starting off, I'll show you how to use it with a trackpad. A trackpad, you can easily hover over to orbit. The orbit allows you to rotate around the center point of your piece. Next is our lookout. The lookout tool allows us to zoom in and place a view on a face. I have an example cube set up where I can select the face that is highlighted and it will then set my position there. Next is my panning tool. My pan tool allows me to move my object into a certain position or my view. Next is our zoom, which does as it says. It zooms in when you scroll down and zooms out when you scroll up while holding and clicking. Our zoom window allows us to place a window around which objects we would like to be zoomed around. So this will now place it into our view. To use the trackpad with these extra features, on a Mac, you can hold down the Shift key and use 2 fingers to move around, which will allow you to rotate. To zoom, you can easily pinch and zoom. To pan, you can place 2 fingers on the trackpad and move around. Next is our mouse. We can easily set our view back to the home point up in the top right, and there should be a home symbol. For a mouse, we can use these tools as well if you feel at best. Other than that, we can use the zoom wheel. We can hold the middle mouse button to pan. We can hold shift and middle mouse button to rotate, and many other things. So this makes it very efficient. Thank you for watching this basic navigation of Fusion 360 video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.